Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. My 7-figure Rolodex is on fire. It's on fire. People are taking action. Are you one of them? If you haven't got your Crypto for Beginners training, I suggest you click on this Crypto for Beginners and get your Crypto for Beginners training. You're going to be able to learn about crypto, getting an exchange, how to buy crypto, to buy Bitcoin, how to stake on Cardano, how to stake on Pancakeswap, how to get started with NFTs. Everything you want to know in a quick fashion is there. Get your Crypto for Beginners training. Okay. Now, if you're looking for a business, you want to build a business in crypto, I've got the best business for you. This automated system. Get yourself a business in a box that pays you in Bitcoin and Tron. This business has been paying me since September 2017 and hasn't stopped since. Pays instantly, automated payments. You'll see here people upgrading in real time. This system is fire. If you haven't got a Bitcoin business, get one here at this automated system. It's all on my Rolodex. Okay. Whether the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum goes up or down, we don't care. You know why? We keep earning our crypto. If you want to build wealth in this industry, you have to just earn crypto and stack it non-stop. That's why we make these YouTube videos. We don't care whether we get 1 view or 100,000 views. The only thing that we care about is that we consistently are creating, consistently diversifying our income into different assets, and consistently using platforms to increase our yield. Okay, one of them being Yoroi for Cardano staking. That's also in my Crypto for Beginners training. Also Lido.finance which is for staking your Ethereum, which I do here for 5% APR. For Yoroi is about 5% APR on my Cardano. And Pancakeswap 79.65 APY on my cake, which you can see all of this is in my Crypto for Beginners training. And it's also you'll be able to see how I'm doing, how you can get started with these by just going to Crypto for Beginners here and putting your name and email address. Okay, very, very powerful stuff. Also I also earn through Celsius network, so I earn up to 8.88% on my crypto here on stable coins like USDT, USDC, but I also earn off of different coins here as well. Like I earn from Ethereum here, I earn from USDT, I earn from Cell token, I earn from what else, Link, Polkadot, Matic, Synthetic. I earn from all of these, and you can see how much you can earn by just clicking on here. You can see the percentage. So 5% APY with Ethereum. With BTC it is 6.2. With, let's see, Cell token is 4.86. Link 3%. Polkadot 8.86%. So I earn from Celsius. Really do like it. You can actually loan as well. You can take loans out in Celsius. Actually, the loan amount has gone down to $100. You can actually loan, and you can use your crypto as collateral and earn as low as $100. Powerful stuff. Really, really powerful. So Celsius is another way. All of these are in my Crypto for Beginners training. And if you see on my Rolodex, you can actually see, if you scroll down, you can actually see here, I've got, let me just refresh this Rolodex. On my Rolodex here, you can see I've included the Lido.finance, okay, and my Rolodex. I've also included the Cardano staking, and I've also included here Celsius network. So even if you didn't do the Crypto for Beginners training, you can still get it on my recommended service for earning crypto. Okay, the same with if you want a business, you can still get my this automated system business, this one here. You can still get this here directly on my Rolodex. And you can also get my Power Lead system business here, which pays you in dollars. You can get that here. So if you want to earn crypto, you could have a crypto business, you can get this automated system. If you want to earn dollars, you can get Power Lead system. And if you want to earn interest off of all of your crypto, you can get it all here. If you want to put it all together and understand crypto from a beginner standpoint, click on my Crypto for Beginners training here and enter your name and email, okay, so that you can get my training, which will be sent to you by your email. So make sure you put the correct email inside, okay? Anyways, definitely a good time. People are taking action. People are looking at my Rolodex and checking out what we have. Scroll through, have a look. There's loads of things here. Some you can see what is suitable for you, what is right for you, and what will be helpful for you, whatever you do. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced level person, you're going to find something for you on the Rolodex. This is all the things that I do, all the things that I'm connected with. You do want to get into these and do as I do, so that you can stake big amounts and earn yield off of your crypto. So I'm earning a good amount every month from these strategies, and if you want to join me, definitely join me. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, because it makes the algorithm go in my favor, and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.